welcome back to the show. When High Life Dubai was launched in 2005, we were the first show of its kind, and today we set a benchmark for all Dubai-based shows. Like us, there's a fashion store which was the first of its kind in the Middle East, and they raised the bar for all India-centric fashion stores by merging high-end Indian fashion with the best of the West. I'm talking about Mumbai Se. Mumbai Se houses the hottest Indian designers, contemporary lifestyle furnishings and art pieces with the creations of contemporary West. A stylish Bollywood-inspired event launched their Spring-Summer 2010 collection, which featured the creations of Meher and Riddhima, Hemant and Nandita, Renu Tandon and Ekta Singh.
Mumbai Se is the first lifestyle concept here in Dubai. The store has a lot of Indian designers, topmost Indian designers, and apart from the fashion apparels, we also have home decor stuff and paintings and cushions and coffee table books, and a lot of other things, accessories, bags.
Our collection is all about bright colors. It's about happiness and confidence. It's about the flowing chiffons. It's about the woman, actually. It's about what the woman likes to wear.
Mumbai Se, we've been the top-selling designers for a lot of months now, and they've given us a very good platform and very good presence in the store, and the customers really like our stuff here.
We showcase our collection at Paris, Dubai, Hong Kong, Jakarta. We are into resort wear collection. It's been the greatest association of our brand till yet. The orders Mumbai Se has placed with us is the biggest order we've ever received. So I think the response has been really wonderful.
This collection that you see here with Mumbai Se is my Spring-Summer 2010 collection, and it's called Flight of Fantasy. It's about a woman's freedom, and it's about, exactly typically what it means, flight of fantasy. It's about a woman feeling.
We normally do a lot of Western silhouettes and do the Indian embroideries on it. What sells in Dubai is total Western silhouettes. And I believe in selling to the product what people are looking for.
And there's great news for the people of Dubai. Mumbai Se is opening another store at Burjuman Mall. Can't wait to see what the store has to offer in the new locale. And that's not all. For those of you who like to keep track of the fashion trends from back home, High Life Dubai is happy to present the launch of Anjali and Arjun Kapoor right here in Dubai. With them was Bollywood diva Bipasha Basu as their brand ambassador. After setting up shop in New Delhi, Mumbai and Hong Kong, it was about time the talented duo Anjali and Arjun Kapoor set foot in Dubai. The husband-wife team has a lineup of women's and menswear and also a jewelry line. Their work is a fusion mix of modern silhouette with Victorian elements like floral patterns and jeweled impressions, making their creations resplendent and timeless.
When we started our business about 10 years ago, it kind of took me a while to kind of understand what our signature look would be all about. But I truly believe in the Victorian vintage influences, and you can see a lot of the Victorian era influence into our garments. That's where I think our source of inspiration really comes from. It's very vintagey, it's very floral, it has a lot of jeweled ornamentation.
Anjali and Arjun have designed for beauties like Bipasha Basu, Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra. And Bipasha accompanied them on their maiden venture in the Middle East.
They're gorgeous if you see them. That it's really a lot of hard work. a lot of craftsmanship and a lot of ideas that they've put together. And I think these are clothes that would make a woman really feel special and almost like a princess or a queen. You know, they're really beautiful and very, very, they're like art pieces. They're so beautiful. I wear a lot of very simple clothes. So she made this specially for me. And I'm really, really happy the way it turned out. And I'm feeling, you know, a little bit like a queen now that they've given me a throne also today.
For all you divas with an eye on fashion, here's one more store for you to check out. और अब वक्त है थोड़ा गुरु ज्ञान का. Time to pull out a viewer's letter, which is addressed to our lifestyle guru. 34-year-old Salma Ahmed has written in saying that she moved to Dubai 2 years back and has put on lots of weight. She wants us to guide her to a reputed slimming center and also wants some basic tips on weight loss. So Salma, here's your answer.
Hi Salman, that's a very common problem faced by many people when they land in Dubai because of the changing lifestyle, the changing habits, changing food, and it's a very common problem. Every second person is facing this. But today it's not the time where we really want to sit down and regret of what's happened, because we have the remedies with the latest technologies available. And you know, this time is where we have machines like PowerShape, we have machines like Ultra Contour, and we have technologies like mesotherapy. I would like to explain you what they are all about. Basically, PowerShape is a machine which actually lyses your fat. It dissolves the fat content in your body as well as massages it out from the lymphatic system. So you walk in a clinic and within an hour you can have an inch reduction. So if you are looking for a circumference loss, a machine like PowerShape can do wonders for you. You just want the right shape and they can give you the shape you have been looking for. Another machine worth a mention is Ultra Contour. In this, it's a French technology and they actually bust the fat cells. It gives you a permanent inch loss compared to any other old procedures which were not able to do so, because it's the only non-invasive answer to a surgery. There's another very good procedure being done in many clinics. It's called mesotherapy. What it does is it acts as a catalyst to these procedures. It acts as a catalyst to machines, because using mesotherapy, we actually use medicines to further stimulate your lymphatic system to drain out the toxins and the fat content. The best clinic where you can get these procedures is which has a combination of all, because all the technologies do work in combination, and if you have a clinic which is offering you all of them in one go, it really would give you much enhanced results than a clinic just offering one or just another technology. The clinic that just comes to my mind which has all these technologies is InstaSculpt on Sheikh Zayed Road. Also another clinic which is doing and has all these technologies is Kakuna on Al Wasl Road. They are well equipped to treat any and every kind of fat problem related with machines.
Gaining weight is easy, but getting rid of it needs lots of hard work. But stay motivated and believe in yourself. You can surely do it. And with that, we go into another break. See you on the flip side. Coming up after the break is the launch of new Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, followed by another launch, the Easy Diver collection from Roger Dubuis. So keep watching.